Today we're making easy banana chocolate chip muffins. They are soft, full of flavor, and best of all, they bake in just 15 minutes. You don't need a mixer for this, just a bowl, a whisk, and a few simple ingredients. All the exact measurements in cups and grams are in the description below. We're starting by whisking together 1 egg and some sugar in a large bowl for about a minute until well combined. On a plate, mash a ripe banana with a fork until smooth. Add the banana and a little vegetable oil to the bowl and whisk until fully combined. Sift in the flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Gently mix until just combined. Overmixing can make your muffins dense instead of soft. Fold in the chocolate chips until they are evenly spread through the batter, so every bite has a bit of chocolate. Line a muffin tin with paper liners and divide the batter evenly, filling each about 2/3 full. You can add a few extra chocolate chips on top if you like. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes, until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. This recipe makes 6 muffins, but you can easily double it to make 12. Perfect for breakfast, a snack, or whenever you want something sweet. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this no mixer banana muffin recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Bye!